Hi everyone, in this video I will guide you how to make two pages and one pages in PDF. So first you need to open your PDF file and then press Ctrl P on your keyboard. Since your goal is to create a new PDF file rather than printing physical paper, you need to change the destination. Look for the printer drop down menu at the very top of the print window and select the printer. For example, I'll be selecting this one. Under the page sizing and heading, you need to click on the multiple tab. So the next step is to pages per sheet. Right now it is 1 by 1. You need to change it to 2 by 2. And here you can see that preview as well. The next step is you need to click down the page order and make it to the horizontal like this one. Here you can see that. Horizontal is the standard page, one on the left side and two on the right side. Now check the orientation option at the bottom. Usually choosing landscape works best for the vertical pages side by side like this one. And now click on the print button at the bottom of the window. So the save as window will pop up asking where you want to keep the file. Select the desktop and choose your folder or your desktop. Give your new document a name and click save. It will take times depending upon the size of the PDF. Close it and open the new PDF file.